Do you think investing is just for the rich? Think again. Today, you're going to learn how to start investing with just $10 a month. Sounds like a small amount, right? But that small amount can completely transform your financial future. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money saved up to take the first step. In this video, I'll show you that the secret isn't about how much you start with, it's about starting. So stick with me until the end, because this could be the decision that changes your future. Many people still believe that investing is complicated, risky, or only for those with lots of money. But here's the truth. What really matters isn't the amount you start with, it's consistency. It's like planting a tree. At first, you don't see big results, but with patience and regular care, it grows, blossoms, and bears amazing fruit. Did you know that investing just $10 a month can lead to incredible results over the years? For example, if you put that amount into a fund with an average return of 8% per year, in 30 years, you'll have over $15,000. Now imagine gradually increasing that to $20 or $50 a month. The numbers multiply. It's math working in your favor. And compound interest is the magical secret behind it. Small steps today can turn into big achievements in the future. But you might be wondering, where do I start? Today, investing has never been easier or more accessible. You no longer need expensive advisors or a background in finance to take your first steps. Platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, and Fidelity were designed to simplify the process, allowing anyone, even with no experience, to start investing. All you need is a clear goal, a basic plan, and the decision to start now. You can begin by choosing a platform that works for you. If you're new to investing, look for a platform that is user-friendly and reliable. Some of these tools even automate small savings and offer simulators to help you plan. This makes life easier for those who want to start small but stay consistent. Setting up your account is super simple and can be done online in just a few minutes with some basic information. After setting up your account, the next step is to decide on your financial goals. Do you want to build an emergency fund, save for retirement, put money aside for a down payment on a house? Each goal requires a strategy, but they all have one thing in common. The first step is to start. What are the best investment options for beginners? If you're starting from scratch, ETFs or exchange-traded funds are an excellent choice. They allow you to invest in a diversified group of companies at once, reducing the risks of putting all your money into a single stock. For example, the S&P 500 ETF includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, some of the largest and most reliable in the market. This type of investment provides consistent returns over time, and it's a great way to start safely. Another interesting option is micro-investing. Platforms like Acorns let you automatically invest the spare change from your purchases. It may sound small, right? But those amounts add up quickly, and they grow even more with the help of compound interest. If you prefer something more conservative, mutual funds and fixed income bonds are great options. They require low initial investments and offer more stability, making them ideal for anyone seeking security while learning how to invest. Compound interest is the secret to success. It's what makes small amounts incredibly impactful over the long term. It not only generates returns on the money you invest, but also on the returns you've already earned. It's like a snowball working in your favor, growing bigger as it rolls downhill. The sooner you start, the greater the impact will be. Want a practical example? If you invest $50 a month in a fund with an 8% annual return, you will have contributed $12,000 over 20 years. But thanks to compound interest, the total amount will grow to approximately $30,000, more than double. It's like giving your money a superpower that works for you while you sleep. Investing for the first time can feel intimidating. Maybe you think it's too risky or that you need to be a math expert. These are common myths that might hold you back from taking the first step. Yes, every investment carries some risk, but those risks can be managed with simple strategies like diversification, spreading your investments across different assets to balance potential losses. Another myth is that investing requires a lot of money. In reality, you can start with small amounts and increase your contributions as you gain confidence. And if you think you need advanced knowledge, rest assured that today's platforms are so simple and intuitive that anyone can start, even without experience. Remember these two key points. Start and stay consistent. Starting means taking the first step, and staying consistent means keeping at it. How can you save $10 a month to invest? You don't have to make big sacrifices. Small adjustments to your budget can free up that $10, or even more. How about skipping one Starbucks coffee a week, or reviewing your streaming subscriptions like Netflix or Hulu and canceling the ones you barely use? Another idea is to create a savings challenge, such as saving all the coins left over at the end of the day or automatically transferring a small amount to a savings account every time you get paid. These simple habits could be the start of a powerful investment journey. Real stories to inspire you. Ashley, a single mom, started investing $20 a month in an ETF. With consistency, she managed to accumulate $5,000 in 5 years, something that seemed impossible at first. Amanda, a young professional, used micro-investment apps and saved $1,000 in 2 years without even realizing she was investing the spare change from her purchases. These stories prove that it doesn't matter how much you have now. What matters is starting, even if it's just a small amount. Every little step brings you closer to your goals. Now it's your turn. Investing is so much more than money. It's about creating opportunities for yourself and your future. Every dollar you invest is a vote of confidence in yourself and the life you want to build. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. What matters is deciding to begin. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Open your account, invest your first $10, and take that first step toward transforming your financial life. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And remember, there is no growth in the comfort zone and no comfort in the growth zone. I hope you enjoyed this and see you in the next video.